Hey everybody, crime and cast coming at you. Hey, breaking news, major breaking news out of South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Has nothing to do with the fires that are going on down there. It has absolutely everything to do with another fire, which is John Paul Miller's lawsuits against protesters which call themselves demonstrators for justice for Micah Miller. Mr. Miller has withdrawn all his lawsuits and his restraining orders except for lawsuits that have been filed and counterclaims or counter lawsuits have been filed against him. All remaining lawsuits and restraining orders have been dismissed and removed from Myrtle Beach Magistrate Court by John Paul Miller himself today inside the courthouse. We at the CC News Network found out about these documents that were filed today, and we reached out to Miller for a comment. He said emphatically he plans to refile all the lawsuits and all the restraining orders in a different court in or around Myrtle Beach. And as he said, one where the presiding magistrate holds a law degree, quote unquote. And this appears to be a direct criticism of Judge Frederick Oracus, who previously dismissed 3 of Miller's restraining orders and presided over a case where one ended in a settlement. Miller also made a comment to us that he alleges that Judge Oracus relied on a third-party investigator to assist in his rulings, but claimed Miller was denied the opportunity to examine or cross-examine this third party, which he said, according to Miller, violated his due process in that court proceeding. Micah Miller's death, of course, and the ensuing legal chaos has become a flashpoint in the Myrtle Beach community and the faith community, exposing deep divisions over accountability and religious leadership, domestic violence awareness, and, of course, limits on pastoral power and coercive control, which I had on this particular social media app. I had a 2-hour interview with Micah Miller's family attorney, Regina Ward, in which we went over extensively about coercive control and how she is advocating for coercive control to be part of the legislation in the South Carolina State House. She has also set up an email, which I talked to her the other day, is an automated email that helps people try to get involved, give them a template of a letter that they don't have to use, but they could make it their own. However, it helps everyone. I talked to her the other day. She says not one person has sent her an email to that email address, which is listed in a story at crimeandcast.com or ccnewsnetwork.com. Go check it out. Go send it. Get involved. But John Paul Miller, breaking news, has dropped all his lawsuits, all his restraining orders in the Myrtle Beach Magistrate, but does plan on refiling in another court. We'll stay on top of these legal filings. Again, not pro JP, not pro protesters. We're saying the news right down the middle as it is. This is CC News Network Copycast coming at you. I'm out.